is to thank you, to request that you...
Here we have our two operators who
share.
We'll go back to...
Good morning, everyone.
Putting all of us together.
That for those political parties that will want to advance their interests within our counties, the first step is to make sure that you have a nominated James person in your list, so that for once we can have a James person, a Chamus person, sitting either in the National Assembly or in the Senate.
This is a community who since independence have never had any of them sitting in parliament. It is our collective position as the Maa Nation that it is time now for Ilchamus to have their voice in our parliament through nomination.
This time around, any party that is going to nominate Ilchamus as a nominated MP or a senator will have to come from Ilchamus, not Kajiado, not Narok, or Samburu. It has to be Ilchamus, because we have never had even a single person sitting in those two houses.